ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Shisngi hadian balapan benaya ke result jong ke election MP. Hagabaga National People Party kala syarem ha baro artuligi seat kata hasilong parliamentary seat bat kumju ru hatura u menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad ke sangma ulapan pau baki habban pediang ya ka monjong pait ba bat ki habru ban ya ceprang haba keren ceklat patai khubor u Konrad ke sangma ulapan pau ba ke election kaya pher na ki wei pat ki election bat ngimtip ba hae gadon gejing bakla ba sa syarem namar baki don shibon ki daw.
As I have already mentioned, even in my message on social media, that we very humbly accept the mandate of the people, and we have to move forward from here. I have also taken the opportunity to wish both the MPs the very best, and of course there are a lot of expectations, a lot of work to be done. And I'm sure they will be very capable of moving a lot of things in the parliament and getting things forward. So I wish them the very best. And as I said, we accept the mandate of the election and of the people. You see, elections are all, every election is different. The issues are different in every election, and the way people vote in every election differs. There are many factors that work in election. So therefore, we cannot compare one election with another election. But having said that, obviously any election and any defeat in any election calls for any political party to introspect, for individuals to introspect. So, it's a part of process of election and democracy, where we win some elections, we lose some elections, but it is always the duty of every political party to learn from their mistakes and look into the issues that were there in the election and why the possible results could have happened. We can't say specifically right now because there are too many factors. We are looking into it, and it will be too premature for me to give a knee-jerk reaction to the entire process. But there are many factors, and we have in fact had a couple of rounds of meeting already to discuss. I've met most of the party leaders, senior party leaders, here in Shillong. I came back last night, and since then we've been meeting many people, and we are assessing the situation. But as I said, it will be too early for me to come out with the entire diagnosis, but there are many factors. That's true. We've seen this kind of trend in politics in the past also. This happens in many constituencies and many states where the state government is for one party. We have seen many situations where in the MP election we don't win. So it's not something that doesn't happen. Yes, I would like to thank the people of Garo Hills that for the last 46 years they have put faith and trust in the leadership of the party at different levels, and we have done our best to serve the people, and we respect, as I said, the mandate. There are issues, there are concerns, and it is our duty now to accept it, and our duty to introspect, and our duty to find out where we can improve and be ready for the next election. We are obviously into looking into all the aspects, but I'm very confident. I had a meeting with all our coalition partners. In fact, just now also we were having almost a marathon meeting with all the coalition partners, especially the UDP had come to meet me today. I had met the leaders of the BJP also, and we have all discussed all the different issues, and we have reiterated that we will complete this term, we will work together in a very stable manner and continue to serve the people based on the mandate that they give. The people of the state have given us a mandate in the assembly elections, and it is that mandate on the basis of which a government is formed. So I think they'll have to do their homework a bit on this. Election in 2023 was the election for the assembly, and people voted for most of the coalition partners. They gave more seats than what was given in 2018, and therefore that is a mandate based on which this government was formed. And hence it is completely wrong for anybody to mention. Well, we have to assess what is happening in the NDA. That is a different issue altogether, because it's at a much larger level. We have to check all those details. But more importantly, we have a member of parliament in Rajya Sabha, and obviously we have reiterated that we are part of the NDA. In fact, I'm leaving for Delhi tomorrow evening. There is a meeting that the Prime Minister has called of all the NDA chief ministers, and I'll be attending the meeting the after tomorrow. Regarding the elections and what happened at the national level, the NDA has managed to repeat for the third term, which is a very, very big and humongous task, which normally does not happen. A third term is a very, very difficult proposition for any government. But the fact that the NDA has managed to continue that is in itself a very big thing. And I'm sure that the economic agendas and development agendas that were started in the first and second term will continue. And we will see many of these economic agendas helping the people of the Northeast and Meghalaya state. Yes, we have always reiterated that our party has tried to give a platform for the people of the Northeast, and we will continue to do that. We have maintained our national party status, and we thank the people of Manipur and for having elected four of our MLAs, 5 of our MLAs in candidates in Arunachal Pradesh, and we will do our best to serve the people of Arunachal and the Northeast as a whole.